Hangeul, Korea's unique writing system, was created in 1443 by King Sejong the Great and his scholars. Unlike other scripts, Hangeul was scientifically designed to be easy to learn, aiming to improve literacy among common people. Originally named Hunminjeongeum, meaning the correct sounds to instruct the people, it reflects King Sejong's democratic vision. The UNESCO-listed Hangeul is celebrated for its innovative and logical structure, combining simplicity with profound linguistic principles. Hangeul's brilliance lies in its design mirroring human speech organs. Consonants mimic tongue, lips, and throat positions, while vowels symbolize cosmic elements: sky, earth, and human. This scientific approach ensures intuitive pronunciation. For example, nin resembles the tongue touching the palate. Such precision made Hangeul revolutionary, earning praise from linguists worldwide for its phonetic accuracy and accessibility. Hangeul's 14 basic consonants are categorized by articulation. Plosives, e.g. g, k, fricatives, s, and nasals, m, n. Each consonant's shape reflects its sound's origin. M mimics closed lips. These consonants form the backbone of Korean syllables. Fun fact: the aspirated k, k adds a stroke to g, g, visually representing extra air. This systematic design allows learners to grasp sounds quickly. Consonants like d and t showcase Hangeul's visual genius. D depicts the tongue touching teeth, while t adds a stroke for aspiration. Similarly, b and b mirror lip movements. This consistency extends to double consonants, e.g. k for tense k, where duplication intensifies the sound. Such intuitive design reduces memorization, making Hangeul one of the most learner-friendly scripts globally. Hangeul's 10 vowels include simple, a, o, and compound, e, forms. Vertical vowels like e represent the human, while horizontal symbolizes the earth. Dots denote the sky, as in a, combining sky and human. This cosmic philosophy simplifies memorization. For instance, adding a stroke to a creates ya, systematically expanding sounds. Vowels adapt seamlessly to consonants, enabling endless syllable combinations. Vowels like o, and u exemplify Hangeul's symbolic depth. O points upward, sky meets human, while u points downward, earth meets human. Compound vowels, such as wa, blend these elements. The dot in a rises to become ya, showing phonetic evolution. This geometric logic, where angles and lines dictate sound, makes Hangeul uniquely artistic and functional, bridging language and philosophy. Hangeul syllables are formed by combining consonants and vowels into blocks. For example, n plus a creates na. These blocks read left to right or top to bottom, like puzzles. Simple syllables follow a CV structure, while complex ones add final consonants, e.g., gan equals gan. This modular system allows over 11,000 possible combinations, yet remains logical. Each block's pronunciation derives from its parts. Syllable blocks follow strict patterns: initial consonant, chosong, vowel, jumsong, and optional final consonant, jongsong. Blocks like han stack vertically, h plus a plus 9, while good arranges horizontally, go plus u. This flexibility accommodates phonetic needs without clutter. The rule of thumb: vowels determine the block's shape. Vertical vowels, e, pair side by side. Horizontal ones, stack. Such elegance is why Hangeul is called the alphabet of the wise. Writing Hangeul involves stroke order: left to right for consonants, top to bottom for vowels. Practice starts with grids to maintain proportions. For example, ga begins with g, then a. Traditional tools like kanji, Korean paper, and brushes enhance learning. Pro tip: use squared paper to perfect block symmetry. Within hours, learners can write words like sarang, love, proof of Hangeul's unparalleled accessibility. Today, Hangeul is the heartbeat of Korean culture, from street signs to K-pop lyrics. Its efficiency supports Korea's tech-driven society, enabling fast typing and AI processing. Annual Hangeul Day, October 9th, celebrates its legacy. Globally, over 80 million use Hangeul, and UNESCO's recognition cements its cultural significance. More than a script, Hangeul embodies Korea's innovative spirit and commitment to education, proving King Sejong's vision endures.